Hello everyone, today we start with the chapter number 2, limits and continuity. So in chapter number 1 we discussed some important topics which were about numbers, sets, functions, what is a function, how to find the domain and the range, okay, and so on. So in chapter number 2 we'll talk about limits and continuity. So chapter number 2 topics, we'll talk about definition of limits and the concept of limits, okay. Just here, definition of limits and concept of limits. So you'll have an introduction about limits, so you will understand what is a limit, how to find the limit of a function. So you don't need really a prior knowledge about that. We'll start from scratch, we'll start from the zero, you can say, okay. So then we're finding limits graphically and numerically, and we'll talk also about one-sided limits, how to find the limit from left to right and from right to left. We'll see that, no worry. Then we'll talk about infinite limits, and we'll talk also about limit laws. We'll see all laws about limits. So then we'll talk about continuity, and we'll talk also about limits and at infinity. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video with the concept of limits.